So body, mind and consciousness, just wanted to and the way you want to make your body, if your body is healthy, like you have no pain anywhere, you forget about the body, but once there is pain in the tooth or pain, so you are thinking about that area. So that means you cannot feel bodiless. When you close your eyes, if there is pain somewhere, you are always there because of the pain. But if the body is completely healthy and there is nothing, you forget the body immediately. Then you go to the second layer, which is the mind. And the way this process goes is you make your body healthy so that you can feel the bodilessness of it when you go in meditation. That's the only purpose. The body is treated as a temple in meditation because you want to eat the right food, do the right exercises, so that when you close your eyes, you feel bodiless right away. You go into the second layer. So it doesn't have to be in any, and the timing as well. There is no special time that you need to meditate. They say that after you just ate a big meal, then naturally all your blood is flowing towards your gut, towards the digestion and everything, so you will feel sleepy. A little bit of sleepiness will be there. Consciousness will not be fully awake. So do not do meditation right after eating a big meal. Maybe 2 hours, 3 hours after is okay. And also they found out that when the whole world is sleeping and their consciousness is not busy, there are not many thoughts in the atmosphere, because thoughts are there floating around, we just catch. When everybody is sleeping, that's the best time. So if you wake up at night and you don't feel sleepy, just sit down and meditate. That's the best thing, because everything is silent, the whole world is sleeping and you're awake, and that's easy to get into meditation. Or early in the morning, if you wake up 1 hour before when everybody wakes up, that's also a good thing. But any time is good. When you're not feeling sleepy and you didn't eat a big meal right before, it's okay, it's a good time. So the techniques that we will be doing, meaning there are so many techniques of meditation, will be concerned on body, mind, consciousness. And I want to just give body is body, what body is, but it's important that you keep the body healthy, meaning, or let's call it organic, meaning whole, meaning connected with the mind and consciousness, because body is also can be disconnected with the mind. Like people don't know what to eat, when to eat, how much to eat. Now I don't think someone has to follow some dietitian. If you're really connected with the mind and consciousness, you'll start to listen inside. The body will tell you, hey, I'm done eating. Like I ate this much, my body feels like I'm not going to eat more. So it comes from within. But in the beginning, they give guidelines. Hey, eat this much, drink this much water. It's okay. But by and by, when you are going in, you'll find out that these small messages are coming from within, like saying, hey, don't eat this. It's not good for meditation. Your mind will be more agitated if you eat this. And next time you try, immediately before you try, you don't want to eat it, because the mind and your whole consciousness is telling, hey, this is not healthy for me. It's not going to work. So there is no strict guidelines as to what should be eaten, what shouldn't be. The whole thing in meditation is what is helpful for the mind to be restful, quiet, what is helpful for the consciousness to be awake. Like let's say alcohol. I mean, it's just a drink, but the consciousness kind of sleeps. You don't know what your awareness is gone. You feel unbounded, you feel free, and you can do anything you want. But in a way, your consciousness, you don't know what's going on right now. You feel alive. You listen to everything, but you can't do surgery after when you are drunk. The same reason, you are not consciously aware. You are not wakeful at that time. Same way, don't take elements or food that will make your consciousness sleep and make your mind more agitated. And that's the only criteria. People say meat, no meat, vegan, non-vegan. We don't even have to go there. Even there might be vegan food that may make your mind agitated. So it's not about being vegan, non-vegan, or vegetarian, non-vegetarian. It's about what makes the mind calm and restful and consciousness awake. Like drugs like LSD or others that make you sleep, that maybe go into hallucination, not good for meditation, because it takes you away from the present moment. And that's the whole criteria for the body. Body doesn't have to be in any specific posture. The whole idea is to forget the body when you are in meditation. So when you see all straight and like this, it doesn't have to be. But there is a certain reason why they do that, because one is they found out that when you sit in a certain position, the gravity, is the least when there is a certain center of gravity falls in a certain way. The balance is so perfect that it's the easiest to forget the body when you lie down. It's like the center of gravity is spread out the whole, so you can't really, and chances are you fall asleep when you lie down. You don't want to fall asleep as well in meditation. Yeah. There are many limitations. So the idea is to have body so relaxed that you'll forget about it when you close your eyes and go into meditation. So any posture is good as long as that. They also do the folding legs, but actually it's not the complete one. They do all this and they put the hand here because they want the energy that flows when you start meditating, and we'll come into energy a bit later, to not escape, because anything that's pointed is where the energy escapes from. So they want to fold and make it into a ball, like the whole body into a ball, and hands also like this into a ball, so that energy stays in the body, doesn't escape. So that's about the body.